Hi everyone, welcome to another episode from you. I hope all of you had a good day till now. I can see a lot of you who have joined online. How's everyone doing? Are you all fine? Oh, I get to see a lot of good stuff on today. All of you must be enjoying the bank holiday weekend. The reason we came in the morning today is because of the bank holiday weekend. Otherwise, our lessons are in the evening. So from next week, we'll be changing our day from Monday to Thursday. We'll be doing our live lessons on Thursday. So next week, see all of you again. Bye. So all of you must be having breakfast. I don't want you guys to be hungry when we do the live. So if you had your breakfast, that's good enough. If you don't have, you can have a little snack and you can just do it. So what are we doing today? Do anyone of you know what we're doing today? And if you missed our stream what we played on Saturday, we had uploaded a video of the Calvary. If you guys have missed that video, I will attach the link here. That is really good. Just try to tag or keep your vocabulary. It's really good video. I was really from my daughter. She really likes taking more of games for you guys and she's one of them. And don't forget to join us live on Saturday also. We'll be doing another game for you guys on Saturday. We have not seen the game was played. My voice is starting. Let me just hear me now. Is it better? Just let me know that if you guys can hear me now or it's you can still my voice is cracking for you all. Oops, what happened? Hello, your voice is cracking. Yes, better. Okay. So you all can hear me now. I don't know what my app is. My app is giving me a lot of trouble these days. So it's clear now. That's good. I said that if you guys missed our video, what Ishita made on Saturday, just have a look at that video. She made a vocabulary game for you guys. You can play the game, you can guess the vocabulary words and see how it is. And she will be doing a lot of vocabulary games for you guys every Saturday at 3 to 4. So that's the time you have to think about the time. Write on in your diaries 3 to 4 every Saturday. We'll be getting you all new games, vocabulary games, or math games, any games for you guys to for 11 plus. So try watching the game if you guys have not from the last week. I will attach the description of the game, the the video what she made last week on a Tuesday for you guys to have a look. And if you want to have another game video, could be vocabulary, could be maths, could be any of the topics which she likes, could be another topics to help you guys. So you can just join in at 3 o'clock and try playing that. ALT kids are really used to playing that game, so they know what game she can do. And if you're not also ALT student, don't worry about that. You still can play these games. Just log in 3 o'clock every Saturday and just play the game what she's playing with you guys. Who won the creative writing competition? I didn't have so many entries, so I don't know who won. I only had one or two entries for that. And we have a creative writing class today. And if you have paid for this session, you will be joining live. You will be coming, not live, sorry. You will be coming in the session too with me. If you want to be one of the persons to be in the live sessions with me, just try filling up the form and paying for the session. That's 5:30 in the evening, and I will be posting that video maybe later tonight or tomorrow in the morning for the others who didn't attend it, so you all can have a look. And today we are doing something I've seen all of you struggling in. That's area and perimeter. So this is the topic we'll be doing today. The sheet again can be found in the description. If you guys have not seen the sheet, I would highly recommend you all to see the sheet before coming to the live today. And the sheet can be found in, you can find the sheet in 11 plus ALT group, or you could find the sheet in the YouTube. I think so. My voice is better now. Should I start sharing the screen for you all now? Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Just give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, just give me a thumbs up. I think so all of you can hear me. Okay, guys, let me start sharing the screen with you all now, and we can get started and do this math video now. Oh, you can hear me. That's good. So let me start sharing the screen with you all, and I will zoom in again as usual because some of you can't see it. Is it better? We will be doing this side first, then we'll go on that side. You can hear me. Do you want me to hide my face or you want to see my face? It's up to you guys. Let me see if I can hide my face now. Okay. Can you still hear me? Okay, let me zoom in this one for you guys. So we will be doing this side first. I have zoomed in this side so that we do this side, then I will go back to the other one. So you have to fill in the blanks now. And as I told you, we'll be doing area and parameter today. So if you guys don't know what area and parameter is, this is something good for you all. So can you all just fill in the blanks, the first one for me? And let's see how many of you get it right. You need to fill in the blanks. Just keep writing. Dash is the amount of space, and dash two-dimension shape. It can be measured in units such as dash or dash. So what do you think we will be writing for the first one? It is blurry. Is it better now? Good. The first one is area is the amount of space where inside. That's good. A two-dimension shape. It can be measured in units such as centimeter square and meter square. Good. So let me write down for the ones who don't know it. So this is area is the first one here. And the second thing comes here is inside. Then you have centimeter square or you have meter square. Good. And the next one, dash is the distance, dash a two-dimension shape. It can be measured in units such as dash or dash. What do you think is for the second one now? So the next one, remember we are doing area and perimeter. So you are looking at the second one now. In the second one, they are saying parameter around good. So the second one is you will write her parameter. Parameter is the distance inside a two-dimension shape such as centimeter square or meter square. Good. So this is what you had to write for the first one. That's well done to all of you. And let's start doing some work now. And now they are telling you to work out the area and perimeter of the shape. So how would you work out the area and perimeter of the shape? So remember, for the perimeter of the shape, you have to add all the sides, and for the area, you need to multiply. So, what do you think the area could be for A? So, let's first write down what we have here. So, this will be also be 6 centimeters, and this one would be again 4 centimeters. So, what do you think? Let me take a pen now. So, what do you think it will be now? 24 square, that's good. So, area would be, you're giving me the area first. Area is 24. You just multiply 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And for perimeter, you add 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, and the total is 20 centimeters square. So perimeter is 6 multiplied by 2, or you could add all of them also and get the same answer. Shape B now. What do you think the in shape B? What is the area of shape B and what is the perimeter of shape B? That's good. That's a perimeter of that. You just multiply 6 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2, and then you add all of them up together. That's 20 centimeters. And what is the area? You just add all of them up for the area. Oh, sorry. So, what do you think the area is? Let's see if anybody can say the area now. Perimeter is 20, and the area would be, let's see if anybody got it right, 16. Good. The area is 16 centimeters square. That's the area. That's the area of your this one. Somebody is asking here. Good. So let's move on to this. Let me zoom out a little bit so you all can see this one. So we are now work out the area and perimeter of the shape. So you need to find the area of the shape and the perimeter of this shape. So we are looking at question 4 now. Oh, three is up. Sorry. Just a minute. Here you go. So you need to work out number 3 first. Sorry, I was doing number 4 by mistake. So let's try doing number 3 now. So if this is 8, what do you think this would be? And you know that area is given to you in this one. They have given you the area in this one, and that's 32. You know that area is when you multiply. So what do you think this would be then? Area would be 4. Yes, because remember, you have given 32 area. So what in 8 you will multiply to give you 32? And the answer for that one would be 4. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit because I think so you guys can't see it. But if I zoom in, that area goes. Oh, that's gone small now. Let me do it a little big. Can you see it now? I think so it's working better now. So let's do it. So you got the answer for this one. That would be 4. If this is 4, this will be 8 and this will be 4. So what is the parameter now? I've hidden my our logo now for a minute for you guys. I hope you will be able to see it now. So now you can see that you're given 32 centimeters here. Is it better now? I think so. It's better now. I've done it now. So now you can see it. So now you have been given, you need to find the parameter. What do you think the parameter is now? The parameter for number A is, you can see it now. Okay, that's good. So the parameter is you add all of them up and then you get your answer for A. So can you all tell me the answer, what you got for A? Then we can move on to the next one. It's 24. Yes, it's 24. Are you sure, right? Because we are adding them up. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. And 20 plus 4 is 24 centimeters square. So your answer for this one is 24 centimeters square. So now you need to find out for B. So you need to find out for B. In B, you have been given your parameter is 40. So if you know that the parameter is 40, so what do you think would be, let's find out what would be each side. So you know that this side would be 8 centimeters, is same like that one. So we need to find out these two sides now. And parameter is when you add all of them up, that gives you 40 centimeters square. So what do you think each side would be now? So we need to find out the side first, and then we need to find out the area. First, remember when you adding all them up all, 12 centimeters top and bottom. That's good. You got it. It would be 12, and you can double check yourself to see that you're doing it right or you're doing it wrong. Just add them up and see. When you add them up, you would be getting the total of 40 centimeters square. And now you just have to find the area. The area is when you multiply 12 multiplied by 8, that would give you your area. So, what do you think your area is when you do that? Good. That would be 90, 96 centimeters squared. That would be your area. You have the third one now, number C. Try doing number C now. And again in number C, you have been given the parameter 36. So you need to work out what each side is first and then find the area. Try doing number C for me, all of you now, and see if you get it. You know that the total of it is 36. So each size would be good. Each side would be 9 centimeters square. So you know that each side would be 9. So this is also 9, this is also 9, this is also 9, and this is also 9. And now you have to find the area. So area is 9 multiplied by 9, and that is 1 squared. Good. So we got this. This is 81. So I need to zoom out now. Okay, I need to zoom in again. So we have the fourth part now. In fourth up part, they are telling you work out the area and the perimeter of the shape. Good, you guys got the last one. So try doing this one now. Try doing number 4 now. You need to work out the perimeter of the shape. So you're given a shape A and you're given a shape B. So what is the area of the shape? Area of the shape is, if you, at the yeah, you got it right. That's 30 centimeters square. I just added all the what I have. I have added all of them. All the squares add up to 30. If you add up all the squares, that would add up to 30. So your area is 30 for this one. And the perimeter would be, what do you think the perimeter is now? Let's see if anybody can give me the perimeter. Good. And the perimeter is 22 centimeters. Somebody's asking, how did you get 22 centimeters? Anyone can tell me how you got 22 centimeters? Let's see how clever you guys are. So, how did you get the perimeter as 22 centimeters? Let's see. Uh, all the squares around the shape. Good. And how did you get the perimeter 22? You need to find how many blocks are outside. See, this is the explanation. Well then, guys, you are so clever, all of you. You just did 5 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 2, that gives you 10 plus 12, that's 22. So let's move on to the next one now. Shape B. What is the area of shape B? So find out the area of shape B now. What do you think the area is of shape B? Good, you guys are still doing the last one. Let's move on. You're giving me good. So this is your area. Your area is 29 centimeters square. And your perimeter is, somebody has just given me the answer for the perimeter. And the perimeter is, I just got the answer. I don't know where did I do it. And find the perimeter of the shape now. Really close. I'm not getting the right answer for the perimeter right now. All of you are giving different answers. Parameter is not 21 or 20. It's very close. You guys are. No, parameter is not 35. The parameter is 22 centimeters. So none of you got it right. It's 22 centimeters. Let me see if anybody of you got it right. So the parameter of the shape is 22 centimeters. Yes, one of you got it right. Good. So let's move on to the next one now. I need to zoom out a little bit and then go on the next one. Twin number 5. In 5, they are saying if you start a rectangle shape, when you increase the area, the parameter will increase. It depends on the shape. Do you agree? I won't do that because you have to draw the example. Do you think it's right or wrong? I can just tell you. Oh, sorry, we are on number 5. So they are saying, do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? So here, I'll just do that for you guys because I don't think so you all can do that. You have to write Amar, my shapes are so bad. And you need to try making some shapes here. So your shape would be something like go from here, not here. I am really bad in drawings. I might leave this one because I won't be able to do it. Draw. You need to draw something like this, and then you need to see that if he's telling the truth or he's telling the wrong. So basically, what they have done, they have drawn like this, goes here, goes up, go here, go up till here. You don't need the up one. And then you need to draw something like that. Area increase in the parameter. It does increase. If you look at this one, the area does increase in the parameter. It does increase by that. So it's something like this. You need to try drawing them. And area does increase. If you look at this diagram, what I've done a little bit, my drawing is very bad. But if you see it, it does happen. So I will leave because number 6 and number 7 are the same thing. You need to keep drawing the diagrams and keep seeing it does. And in this one also you need to try doing two reflections in number 6 also and see if it increase. And in number 7 also the same thing happens. I'm not going to draw the diagrams for you guys now. Let me leave this page for the time being because this page is just drawing diagrams. Let me zoom out a little bit so we can move on to the next one. So now you have to basically find the area of a triangle. So when you find the area of the triangle, so do you guys know? Look at here. To find the area, you need to multiply 7 is to 6. They're giving you example. So let's look at the example first. For the ones who don't know how to find the area of a triangle. So area of the triangle, you need to find the area. You have to multiply 7 multiplied by 6, that's 21. Sorry, 7 multiplied by 6, and then you divide it by 2. So if you guys know your table, you would be know what is 7 multiplied by 6. That's 42. And when you divide 42 by 2, you get 21. So this is how you find the area of a triangle. So you need to be careful to find the area of the triangle. So we are doing this one now. So you have to calculate the area of the triangle here. So what do you think the area of the triangle A is? So as I told you, to find the area of the triangle, I'll use a different color. You have to multiply first. So try multiply 6 multiplied by 3, and then whatever you get, you need to divide it by 2. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 18 divided by 2 gives you guys 9. So your first answer is 9 centimeters square. So all of you got it right. So let's move on to the number 2 now. Number 2 is you have 5 here and you have 6 here. So remember the formula, how to find the area of the triangle. You need to multiply first and then divide it by 2. So that's for the first one. All of you got it right. So now you need to find the area of shape B. Number 2, sorry. Number 2, 5 multiplied by 6 is 35. Divide 35 by 2 to get your answer, and you get the answer, that's 15 centimeters square. Good. So this is 15 centimeters square. And then let's look at B first, and then I'll go back to C for you guys. So find the area of B now and see what the area would be for B now. B is 7 multiplied by 10. That's 70. And then try dividing 70 by 2. You will get your answer. And I've already one of the Ayush, well done. Ayush got an answer. That's 35. So try looking at C now. Again, you have 5 multiplied by 6. And you know that is 30. And again, you're dividing it by 2 to get your answer for this one. And that is 15. Good. Let me just put some of your answers. And that's 15 again. And D is also same. as B. So B and D, you will get the same answer for both of them. So what do you think the answer would be for D now? It's 35. Good. Is the same as I told you, will be absolutely same like the previous one. So that's 35. So let's get our hand and move this one here. Can you all see it now? And I can zoom in for you guys so you can have a look now. So now, what are they saying? They are saying, what mistake has Dora made? So, what did Dora do to find the area? You need to do this, as I told you before. 7 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 gives you 21. That's what we guys are doing. Label to the base of each triangle B. Label the height H. So basically, which one is height H? I'm going to do it for you guys. Have a look and see if you have done it right or wrong. This is the height in this one. This is the height in this one. This is a base in this one. In this one, this is height. This is your base. And in the last one, this is your base and this is your height. So did you guys do this? So this is how you do it. So now you have to say, are the statements always or sometimes or never true? The side at the bottom of a triangle is the base. The perpendicular height is equal to the vertical height. So what do you think it is? Never or sometimes or it's not true at all? So the answer for this one, if you guys don't know, would be sometimes. So you have to write here, it's sometimes it's true and sometimes it's not. Sometimes is for both of them. So you have sometimes for this one also, and you have sometimes for the next one also. So let's move on to the next one now. I will zoom out again. So we are on number 6 now. And now you have to calculate the area of a triangle. So what do you think the area would be of this triangle now? Number 6A. So what is the area of a triangle? Good, all of you. The area of a triangle is, it's 20. And then you have another one here. Let's find out D now. So, what do you think the area of this triangle would be now? So, remember, area of a triangle, if you have recently joined us, to find the area of a triangle, you need to multiply it and divide it by 2. That would be 15 centimeters squared. Good. That would be 15. And what is the area of triangle C now? Triangle C, Ayush has again got it right. Well done, Ayush. It's 35 centimeters square. So, as we told you, you have to multiply it first. 10 multiplied by 7, that gives you guys 70. And then you have to divide it by 2 to get the answer. And you get your answer for this one is 35. I need to go up now. Look at D now. So, what is the area of D? So, what is the area of the D1? Let's see how clever you guys are now. Who can find the area of D? So, which one are you going to calculate to find the area in this one? No, it's not 120. In this one, all of you getting confused. You would be multiplying only these two, 6 and 4. 6 multiplied by 4 gives you 24, and you're dividing it by 2. That gives you guys 12. So the area of this one is only 12 m square. So what is the area of E now? Let's see if any one of you would know how to do this. Anybody got this one? Number E? You need to find the area of first two, then multiply both of them and try doing it now. So in this one, basically E, you need to multiply 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. And then try doing the next one. Let's see. Nobody's got this one. So let's do this one now. The answer for this one is 7.5 meters square. You need to multiply this one and then divide it by 2 the way as we you were doing it before. So this one, 6 multiplied by this is 30. Divided by 2. I'm just getting if what answer they got. That's 15. And that is 18. Anybody got this answer? 7.5. Can explain how we get this? Let me just find it out for you all. Let me rub it out in the rubber. 7.5 square is the answer. Okay, how you do it? Basically, you're doing half times 3 times 5, and then you just do it. You have the formula for this one is you're using this formula for this one. Let me just write the formula the ones because you guys don't know is half into base into height. So you need to find out what is your base and what's your height, and then you will find the answer as 7.5. So that's the formula we are using for this one. So what do you got for the next one now? Number F. Try using again the formula of that one. Half into base into height. And remember, they also told you the formula in the beginning when they told you how to do it. It's here. Let me just move my hand. When we started doing it, they told us the formula in the top here. See? That was not the formula of this one. But the formula of this one is what I just told you guys. Just remember to use this formula to find it out. So let's do the next one now. Oh, number F, sorry. Try doing number F now. And try using the formula now, half into base into height, and see what area you get in that one now. Good, you got it, how to do it now. So you get 32 centimeters square. Now we have 2 left. We'll be having another session for the 3 left, and we'll be having another session to complete this math sheet with you guys to find the areas of 2 different shapes. We'll be doing it next week now. Before that, we have the volume of the cuboid we'll be doing next week. And another one which is left is the volume of area of parallelogram will also be done next week. So we'll be just completing this sheet and then we are off for next week. So you got 3 more questions left now. And let's do it now. Number 7 now. So try doing number 7 and find. So what's number 7? What is the area of the shaded shape? So you need to find the area of this shape here, the shaded one. So what do you think the area is of the shaded shape now? So let's see who can find it out. Good, that's 50. So the area of the shaded shape is 50. And in this one, you have been given that the area of each triangle is 12 centimeters square. Find the missing length. So you need to find what is the missing length in this one. And this is given you x here. So how would you find this one now? So let's see. How did someone find this one now? Try using your formula, what I've just given you guys, and try finding the answer for this one. So what do you think your x would be, and what would be in B would be your y? 8a is 3. Good. So that's 3. What about y now? Y would be 24 centimeters square. Your y is, and the last one for today, number 9, show 2 ways you can work out the area of a triangle. So what are the 2 ways you can work out the area of a triangle? So let's see what I can tell you. One way is you could multiply 9 multiply by 4 divided by 2, and that would give you guys 18 centimeters square. Can you tell me another way how to find the area of a triangle? There's another way you could find the area of this triangle. What is the other way you can find the area of this triangle? That's one way. I've told you you could find the area of the triangle. There's another way you could find the area of this triangle. Good, Ayush, you got it right. Another way to find the area of the triangle is 6 multiplied by 6. That's 36. Then you divide it by 2. That would again give you guys 18 centimeter square. So these are the 2 ways you could find the area of a triangle. So we are done for today. And the next two things, what areas and volume which is left, we would be doing it next week now. So let me just stop sharing the screen with you all. So don't forget to do the sheet again if you have not done it, because this sheet is still left. You have some of the questions which are still left. We'll be completing it next week for you guys. And that is what you would be expecting to do in your 11 plus. The first half was really easy, and then it gets harder and harder after you complete the sheet. So we are done for today, guys. And don't forget to join on Saturday at 3 o'clock for another exciting video about games, to play a game video with us. And if you have not liked this video, I would highly recommend you guys to go and like the video and get as many friends you get. Thank you very much, Ashima. Bye. And I'll off the video now so all of you can go and have some lunch now. See you next week now, and don't forget to join us live on a Saturday at 3 o'clock. Bye now.